थोड़ा और.
I'll try. I'll try. It's just hot water.
Oh, it's just hot water. I served him hot water.
Something more.
We have, people call it different places. हम फुचका खाते थे, गोलगप्पा, पानी बताशा, पानी पूरी, जो भी आप बोलो. भैया एक सूखा मिलेगा क्या? Buy some vegetables, सब कुछ होने के बाद भैया थोड़ा धनिया दे दो, भैया थोड़ा धनिया दे दो, भैया थोड़ा धनिया दे दो. Always asking, थोड़ा और कुछ, थोड़ा और benefit.
Okay, Mahi.
I think also it's up and beyond what they are actually getting. So a lot of these card services, they have their own reward systems and also. So this is on top of that.
On top of that, you
So that's why we
get
came with
some
that
exclusive
idea.
content from MS. You get some, people don't know very much about him personally. He's a very, he keeps his personal life very much to himself, and now he's opening up. Thoda aur.
I'll try.
He's going to try and open up.
It's a difficult.
Thoda sa, thoda aur.
Few years back, I said, I'll try to use my phone more often. I haven't succeeded at that. I'm still quite the same. So I want to do it. The whole thing is whether I'll be able to not. Only time will tell. But it's a way of saying thank you to the fans. So maybe there's high chances that
intent is there. That's good.
Yes. The process. Now we need to follow the process.
That was a big thing when we were talking about it. Is your desire to give something back, like really give something back? It was amazing. Like see, that desire after such a amazing career that you're having. Amazing.
He wanted to come on stage and do it and tell everybody at home that while he was on stage, while Mahi was on MS was on stage, I served him coffee.
It's just hot water.
Oh, it's just hot water. I served him hot water.
Something more.
But MS, what does thoda aur? You briefly touched upon it, but what does thoda aur mean to you personally? Thoda aur.
I don't know about the big cities, the big metros, but I come from Ranchi, which is a small town. Now, of course, being the capital and all, things have changed. But, whenever I used to go, we have, people call it different places. हम फुचका खाते थे, गोलगप्पा, पानी बताशा, पानी पूरी, जो भी आप बोलो. So once you have done eating, you're always like, भैया एक सूखा मिलेगा क्या? And I feel most of us have done that. If you have gone to buy some vegetables, सब कुछ होने के बाद भैया थोड़ा धनिया दे दो, या कड़ी पत्ता, मिर्ची, नींबू. अब क्या है, काफ़ी चीज़ें थोड़ी महंगी हो गई हैं, तो आई डोंट थिंक दे गिव यू ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट इट्स आवर वे ऑफ ऑलवेज आस्किंग, थोड़ा और कुछ, थोड़ा और बेनिफिट. एंड वी हैव सीन दैट आफ्टर प्लेइंग फॉर इंडिया एंड ऑल. जो सेल्फी के लिए आता है उसको फोटो चाहिए. पीपल हु कम फॉर फोटो एट द एंड दे वांट अ सेल्फी. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज
जैसे हो रहा था, थोड़ा और एक और सर.
सो दिस app that we are talking about, it reflects that in a way. I've briefly spoken about it, and also it gives an opportunity to the various clients, in the sense all the big companies and all, not everybody endorses me or I'm not part of them, but
yes,
in a way they can come up with programs where they want to reward the fans, where the fans, if they are spending or using their credit or debit card in their franchises and outlets, they get some extra off. It can be anything from the range of 1 to 5% up and beyond whatever is happening. So it was I would say thank you from my side to all the fans who have been right by me through the ups and the downs, and saying, thank you very much for being there. And if I can align the clients and you guys where, both of you are benefiting, then why not? So it's a very sincere way of putting things together. How successful it will be, only time will tell. But the general thinking behind it was this.